Tired of workplace perks that barely scratch the surface of what employees really need? Here's a story that flips the script on traditional staff treats, and it might stir up some heated opinions. Forget the usual pizza parties or quick morale boosters. One leading beauty retailer, under the direction of Mecca's CEO, has teamed up with none other than personal finance guru Scott Pape, better known as the Barefoot Investor, to set off what's being called a full-blown financial education revolution in the workplace. This isn't your typical wellness initiative. Instead of focusing solely on short-lived fun or trendy perks, they're empowering employees with lifelong money skills. Imagine coming to work and, alongside your daily tasks, being equipped with practical strategies for budgeting, saving, and building real financial stability. And here's what really sparks debate. Should businesses take such a hands-on role in teaching life skills like personal finance? Is it a forward-thinking investment in workers' futures? Or does it blur the line between professional and personal life? Scott Pape, never one to mince words, suggests this approach sets a new standard for how companies can support staff well-being, much deeper than surface-level gestures. What about you? Do you think financial literacy classes should become the new normal in every workplace? Or is this a step too far? Some may argue employers should stick to business and leave money management to the individual, while others celebrate a push toward deeper employee care. Let us know your take in the comments. Should more companies follow Mecca's lead? Or is this financial glow-up a controversial path?